Dear, don't eat this piece of fruit. Now it is contaminated and unhealthy for you.
But why?
Dear, because there are so many germs on the floor, and they are so tiny that you cannot see them through naked eyes, and they may harm you.
What are these?
These are called microorganisms.
Friends, you'll be surprised to know that a microorganism can help us in making our food, and the same can make us ill too. So, before getting more information about them in detail, let us first know about such microorganisms and their habitat. Microorganism or microbe is so small in size that we cannot see it with naked or unaided eyes. They are broadly classified into 4 major groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. Viruses are also microscopic. Microorganisms can survive in different environmental conditions.